Welcome, budding investors, to another insightful episode of Investing on a Dime. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone starting their investment journey: risk management. Risk management, your path to success. Investing is a bit like sailing. You need to navigate the waters carefully to reach your destination. And to do that, you must understand and manage risk effectively. Let's begin by tackling the concept of risk. Risk, in the investment world, refers to the potential of losing some or all of your initial investment. It's a part of the game, but it's one that we can control and mitigate. So, how do we assess and manage this risk? Well, there are two key elements: diversification and understanding your risk tolerance. Diversification is like having a balanced diet for your portfolio. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you spread your investments across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. The idea is that when one part of your portfolio isn't performing well, the other parts can help balance things out. It's a risk reduction strategy that can help protect your investments. Understanding risk tolerance: know thyself. Now, let's talk about risk tolerance. This is all about knowing yourself and your own comfort level with risk. Some people are naturally more conservative, while others are comfortable with higher levels of risk. Your risk tolerance guides the types of investments you should consider. Assess your risk tolerance by considering your financial goals, time horizon, and how you react to market fluctuations. It's a personal thing, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Balancing act: diversification and risk tolerance in action. To be a successful investor, you'll need to find the right balance between diversification and your risk tolerance. A diversified portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance can help you achieve your financial goals while staying within your comfort zone. So, there you have it: risk management in a nutshell. By diversifying your investments and understanding your risk tolerance, you're better equipped to navigate the investment waters and steer your financial ship to success. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening journey into risk management. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on Investing on a Dime.